I'm back after 5 years. It shines in the morning sun. Relieved. Hello. I will introduce this place this time. I hear birds. This is Hachinohe City, Aomori Prefecture. Kabushima Shrine. Actually, I came here 5 years ago. It was being rebuilt at the time. Unfortunately, on November 5, 2015, the shrine was completely destroyed by a fire. However, the birds do not give in to it and live happily. Looking back, there was also a tsunami caused by an earthquake. It is truly an island of the gods where you can recover from any disaster. I am happy that the birds are doing well today. This is Kabushima, a beautifully reconstructed shrine. From around April, 30,000 black-tailed gulls live here. For spawning, birds are nesting around this shrine. It is designated as a National Natural Monument as the only place in Japan where you can observe black-tailed gulls' nests up close. Kabushima Shrine is said to have started in 1269 when Enoshima Benzaiten was enshrined. Be careful not to get closer than 2 meters to an egg-laden bird. There are 30,000 birds flying around, so rent an umbrella to avoid getting dirty with droppings. I found a black-tailed gull warming an egg. It seems that the male and female are replaced every 2 to 3 hours and warmed. Birds are accustomed to people, so they will quickly approach you. Food is also sold at the shop, so you can feed them. There are many other places I would like to introduce. If you like it, please click the good button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.